Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Today's subject is Industrial Automation, Unit 1, Fluid Power and Pump and Motors, Part 2 video. If you want to see my previous video of this subject, please click the I button on the top of the video. It will show the playlist of this subject and also the other subjects also. If you want to full subjects means, please visit my channel and see all the videos and don't forget to subscribe. Today topic is application of fluid power. So the uses of fluid power in industries. So I am shortlisted some kind of industries in the below. So they are manufacturing industry, automobile industry, agriculture industries, naval industries, aviation and aerospace industries, mechatronics field, material handling, construction fields, and also it is used in other many industries also. And now we are going to see one by one in detail. For I am giving some of the examples only. The fluid power is working lot more applications in the industries, many industries. So I am gathering some of the examples only. So in first one I am giving manufacturing industry. They are using hydraulic presses, pneumatic hand tools, hydraulics and pneumatic fixtures, automatic and semi-automatic machines, pneumatic drives, automatic inducting machine, die casting machine, automatic lathe with air operated equipments, hydraulically operated shaving, cutting and drilling machines. So these are the some examples of manufacturing industries using hydraulics and pneumatics fluid power. Here I am giving an example images of some hydraulic systems. So it is a hydraulic press. We are using this press to compress the heavy loaded metals, and it is a hydraulic fixture. So we are using hydraulic and pneumatic fixtures. Basically there is more hydraulic fixtures than the pneumatic fixtures. We are going to hold it is a work holding device. We are to hold the job with high pressure liquid, with the help of high pressure liquid. So it is called as the pneumatic fixtures. And the second industry is automobile industry. In automobile industry we are using welding equipments and hydraulic controls, hydraulic brakes, automotive transmissions, power steerings, power brakes and lubrication inside the engine. And see, we are giving some examples in that. For the hydraulic brakes, now the driver going to apply the brake. The brake lever operates the hydraulic cylinder, and the hydraulic cylinder pressurize the fluid and transfer it to the wheel cylinder, and the wheel cylinder applied the brake. So this is the form of hydraulic brakes. And the power steering, so we are going to turn the steering wheel, and the steering wheel will move the push and pull rod. The push and pull rod activate the cylinder, and the cylinders activated the wheels to turn the direction, whatever the direction we need in the vehicle. So these are some examples of automobile industry using the fluid power. And the next one is agriculture industries. In agriculture industries they are using the fluid power for using elevator controls of harvesting of grains, farm equipments. So in this image we are clearly sees all the cutting wheels are run by the hydraulic pressure. So with hydraulic pressure it will give heavy load and it will cut a lot more of grains. It will harvest, and the harvested grains was delivered to the storage tank by using the conveyors. So this conveyor belt is worked with the power of hydraulics and pneumatics only. So by using this we are in different kind of manner we are using the fluid power in the agriculture industries. And the next one is naval industry. So naval, it is the form of it is used in the sea areas, right? So sea area, the sea water is the kind of fluid. So it is basically stand by the fluid power only. The fluid power used for the cargo handling, winches, propeller pitch controls, submarine control systems and elevators and drive systems for radar and sonar. And I am giving the example of a submarine. This is the kaleidoscope from the submarine. So if you want to operate this kind of scope, means we are going to use the hydraulic system, so it works smoothly and heavily. The sea water under the sea water, it gives heavy pressure, so the hydraulic system will withstand in that heavy pressure. And this is the system using in the ship. So these all systems and pressure gauges are used in this hydraulic system. By using the control systems, all the control systems of the ship is mainly based on the fluid power. And in aviation and aerospace industry, this is the hydraulic actuators, cargo doors, gun drives, and flight control devices for aircraft, fluid power missile launching systems. So these are the some of the examples of aviation and aerospace industries having the fluid power. And now I have given the example of a landing gear of the flight. So we are using here a hand pump like a design. It is inverted and it is fitted in the landing gear. So the landing gear gives cushion effect during the landing and takeoff to the flight. So by using the pneumatic power, the landing gear gets the cushion effect. So this is the one kind of fluid power system. And for the engines, the cooling system, lubrication systems are run with the help of hydraulics. And also some of the hydraulic fluid power system is used in the missiles also. It is used to open the missile doors and lifting out the missiles to launch, help to launch the missiles. The hydraulic system will works. And the next one is mechatronics field. So in mechatronics field, they are using logical components in the fluid by using the fluid power, the servo motors and servo controlling using pneumatic actuators, and robotic arms and robots used. Automatic robots are maximum they are built with the help of fluid power only. So they are using the operating elements such as spindles, feed drives, automatic and work clamping, tool clamping and work clamping, tool magazines, and automatic tool changes. These are all kind of fluid power systems used in mechatronic fields. Now I am giving the example diagram of a pick and place robot. This pick and place robot was actuated by the hydraulic system. The hydraulic fluid will activate the angle and moment of the pick and place robot by using the controlling levers. And this one is the automatic tool changer. This automatic tool changer is controlled by the hydraulic systems, and the hydraulic fluid is controlling the selector of the tool, and the selector is moving with the help of servo motor. The servo motor is working with the help of fluid power only. And the next one is material handling. So for we are using material handling, there are a lot of things are used for material handling: hydraulic lift trucks, hydraulic jacks, hydraulic ramps, hydraulic elevators, fluid power drive conveyors, and pneumatic operated packing and wrapping machines and bottling equipments. They are used in hydraulic systems only. That is the fluid power systems only. So I given the example of a ramp. So this ramp was lifted by the help of hydraulic cylinders. The hydraulic fluid is pressurized inside the cylinder. The cylinder is expanded and move the piston to outward. Due to the outward, the mechanical linkages are getting lift the platform above the ground. And this jack, you are seeing this hydraulic jack used to lift the cars. And the next one is construction field. In the construction field, they are maximum using of driving the earth moving equipments. So the earth moving equipments like JCBs, cranes, these all are working with the help of fluid power only. Without the fluid power, the earth movers cannot be run. If you are using the servo motor for the earth movers, it will not withstand the heavy load during the demolishing and lifting of heavy loads. So we are using the hydraulic power to demolish and lifting the heavy loads during construction works. And the next one is other industries like food processing industries, chemical industries, biomedical industries, formal industries. So, in the food processing industry, the pressurized food is getting inside the tube, and it will pressurize the nozzle, and if the maximum pressure contains, the nozzle will open and fill up the bottle. So, the juice bottles are filled with like this only. The fluid power is getting pressurized, and the nozzle is opened and the bottle was filled up, and at the end of bottle filled up, the pressure was getting lower, and the injector will never open the nozzle, and it will protect the fluid to split out outside the bottle. And also in the tablet industry, that is chemical or formal industries, they are using uh, pressing machine for creating the tablets. So they are going to put the tablet powders in the hopper. The hopper will deliver the quantity of the powder to the die which have the hydraulic press. The hydraulic press going to create the tablet by using the press mechanism, hydraulic press mechanism. And also the next one is biomedical industries. So in biomedical industries, the chemical we are going to found is formed by a machines, tested by the machines by using the pneumatic power controlled systems. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. Thank you, friends.